Welcome to ledlight.com. This is product number 62817, a 4" by 2" oval style, side marker and clearance LED light. Available in red, amber, or clear. Lens is polycarb material, giving it extra durability. Ideal for cars, buses, tow trucks, work vehicles, big rigs, transportation vehicles, public work vehicles, government work vehicles, or anything else in need of this style of light. Operates on 10 to 30 volts. DOT and Emark certified to ensure that your replacements are compliant. This LED has the wires coming out directly, for easy replacement. Screw mounted. Be sure to like and share this video, and subscribe today for more ledlight.com news. Thanks for watching.